What's up, Tsla family? It's Ray J back with another video. And in this one, I want to give you guys a very quick update about SPY and the overall market and Tesla. Just know that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I'm saying as financial advice. So the market pushed to new all-time highs. Then we got a big rejection on both SPY and the QQQ. And we're going to be watching to see if support holds. Tesla's testing 440 support. If it doesn't hold, there's going to be a risk of 438, and then all the way back down to this gap fill at 430 if that fails us. Tesla has some downside risk looking at this from a technical standpoint now, but we're going to see if we get some kind of bounce or not off the big news that's coming out, or is the news basically like priced in? So there's this news right here. Elon Musk is talking about the new Tesla self-driving. This is the FSD supervised update coming out. There's new improvements to come, but the wide rollout has begun according to Elon. So that is some good news. And then Tesla posted this, the new FSD supervised rollouts. It has new improvements such as the way it's able to park and such, which is great. But the thing is, despite the fact that Tesla is posting this, I'm not seeing any updates involving their overall new vehicle that's supposed to be coming out. Looking down here, they basically still have like the headlights posted and also like the date of 10/7. So today they're supposed to be posting the update, but as of right now, I don't know when the time is going to be. So we're still waiting for Tesla to officially post this. We have to see when it's going to be coming out. Um, Sometimes these events, when they announce like new products and such, it happens like during the afternoon period, so it may not happen for another couple of hours. And for now, Tesla's just waiting to see what's about to happen. Because the market is dipping right now, Tesla's also showing some weakness. Tesla's getting dragged down, and Tesla was once again showing this weakness yesterday. We're looking for this big gap down here to fill at 429.8, almost like around 430 on Tesla. We're going to see if 438 holds. If not, we're looking for that gap fill, and Tesla could reject and continue to fall. Tesla also has a head and shoulders like pattern, so we will see if this news about their new model helps the share price or not. But as of right now, we're looking more bearish, and we're gonna be favoring the lower 430s if 438 fails us. On SPY, we need to hold 668.85. If it doesn't hold, we're going to be dipping to 665 cents, so it still looks more bearish to me. On the QQQ, we need to hold 604.35. If not, we could be dipping all the way down to about 601.5 again. We could be retesting the resistance, becoming support. We have 603, then 601.5. Those fail us. 599 is next. On the IWM, we have 243 is our support. If that fails us, we could be dipping to 242. On ES, we got this big rejection. We're going to see if we could hold 67.50. If not, we could be dipping more, so there is downside risk. NQ could be dipping to about 24,976. If that fails us, we'll be dipping even more, so be very careful. On Bitcoin, we also got a rejection right here. We could be dipping to 120,459. Once again, favoring downside. Tesla's making lower highs here. We have a gap to fill, taking us back down to 430, so be very careful. Nvidia is making lower highs here. We're going to see if we could hold 185. If not, we could be dipping to 182. For Apple, we're in the middle right here. We have 257 as our resistance and support down here at 255. We're still technically range bound, so we'll see if we get a rejection. On AMD, we're making lower highs here, so we could be tipping closer to 200 again. Once again, still holding up very well, showing resilience, but there is weakness. Coinbase is rejecting. We have to hold 367. If not, we could be dipping all the way down to about 354. Then the gap fill to about 346. Amazon rejected here. It needs to hold above 221. If not, we could be dipping to 220. Meta rejected right here around this 705 area. Google could be dipping back down to 246. And then Microsoft could be dipping back down to about 520. So be very careful. So for now, the market is showing weakness, and there is a lot more downside risk. Unless SPY gets back above 668.85, unless we do that, we're actually favoring 665 right now. And for Tesla, we're showing weakness. There's a big gap to fill over here around 430. It's actually, I think, around like 429.8 to 430, depending on the time frame you're looking at. So close to 430, Tesla's going to likely be dipping now if we can't get back above 438 on the 4-hour close. So be careful, guys. Tesla might be dipping more. There's also a head and shoulders like pattern. Could this news about the new model be priced in, or are we going to get a big bounce? There will likely be a big move either way, whether we dump or pump. So be ready for when Tesla makes that announcement. A big move will be coming. And for now, there's weakness nonetheless. So we'll see when Tesla gives us the announcement of this new model. Until then, we're just going to have to be very patient for now. Thank you for listening, guys. Have a good one, and peace out.